Okay, we're out here at Matagorda Bay Nature Park. They have bungalows that you can see here. They have a couple of airstreams that you can rent over there. Nice and spacious RV spots. You know, your spots from here to here. They're not all bunched up together. Super nice. That's the Colorado River over there. They have a dock right over there. You can't see it from here, but beautiful park. They keep it real clean. The bungalows are super nice. And like I said, that's the Colorado River there. And then just beyond there is the Gulf of Mexico. So right where the Colorado River meets the Gulf of Mexico, this is the Matagorda Nature Park. Here are some of their prices. So hopefully this helps y'all in getting out, doing things in nature, and as usual, have a great day.